Okay, so next up we have that product carousel ad. Hopefully they have some products that are relating to, lawn and garden, and I mean anything you could find at North 40. It doesn't have to be specific to the lawn and garden center. But whatever I can find, basically, I guess, because we didn't pay for these. I was going to have you guys pay for these, but I just decided that that was just, too much, and it would be $18 for the pro account, and we're only going to do one project that's going to be like a week long, and it just seemed like kind of a lot of money for you guys to pay for just one project. Okay, so we'll get going on this. So create new, we'll do single design, and then I believe the carousel ad is down here. They also have print stuff, but it's just interesting to see what they have. Okay, so we'll go with the carousel here. I've never made one of these, to be honest with you, so we'll see how it goes. So I think you can add like new slides here. Let's just check out some of these. These are like, this is like a versus. So if we, oh, here's the slides. So like, so if you say you're in a carousel ad and you're pushing on that arrow, it goes to the side. Do they have a product related one? Oh, yeah, it asks you that. So this is kind of cool, actually. I kind of like this. So yeah, it's just the process of trying to figure out, there's not a lot to choose from in here if you want to go with a template replace. So I think I might go with this one, honestly, because, and they're just featuring one product in here, but you could have different products throughout. I think I might just do 3 slides for now. Or wait, there's 5. Okay, so what's this? Duplicate, trash, stop slide. Okay. And then this is the amount of time on each slide. Okay. Okay, so I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to just change the colors to match. This is pretty close, but not quite. And then bring in my logo. Oops, my uploads. Where are my uploads? Oh, okay. And then, let's see. Bring this down. I think what I'll do is I'm just going to delete this. Bring this in. And then change this color quickly. And then let's see what's in this background. Okay, so it's kind of like, oops. So yeah, delete that. And possibly this background color. For some reason I can't get that. Maybe that's just the background color. It's been set to that. I'm not quite sure how to change the background color. Well, we can always just put, there's got to be an area where you can change that, but I'm not quite sure where it's at. Anyway, well, I'll just bring in a shape. And maybe just a square, and we'll change the fill color to be maybe white, and then we'll just bring this below everything else in layers. Okay, maybe like that. Okay, and then 50% should be maybe a blue color. This maybe could be thicker. I don't know if they have like, just regular might help. And then this could be kind of all left aligned maybe. And then what I'll have to do is I'll have to find some images, and I already do actually have, so it's not going to let me bring in video, but I think it will let me bring in some of these images that I found. I'm going to put it on column. I like this image, but I didn't find a way to use it. So I have this. I think it might be already clipped. This one could work too, but I think this looks more like an actual product, so it's not clipped. So I'll go into Photoshop. I'll open, find that shovel, open it. I'm just going to use the magic wand, and I can push shift down and I can get both of them, and then we can do both white areas and then do a select inverse, and then a Command C, Command N for new, and it'll automatically size it up to, you know, whatever size the shovel is. Command V, and then I can do a Shift Command S, which is a file save as, or you can just go to file save as. I'm going to save it as shovel clipped, and I can save the Photoshop document out if I want to, and then I'm going to delete this extra white layer that was added in here. My dock is so annoying. I wonder if I can just, oh yeah, I can just push delete on my keyboard to get rid of that. And then I'll do a Command S just to save without that. And then a file export, or actually you can do a save as to get a PNG. And then save. So I have both a PSD and a PNG of this. And then now I'll try bringing that in the PNG, because it's a smaller file size. I don't think it'll accept anything else other than, you know, JPEGs or PNGs. I don't think it would have taken the Photoshop file. I don't think Bannersnack would have taken that. So maybe something like that. I kind of want to put this maybe at the top, and then put this down here. Maybe a little further down, and then maybe just move all of this stuff kind of with my keyboard, just in pushing shift to grab multiple items. And I think I could maybe, can I stretch this? Oh, cool. Okay, I can keep, and that will maybe help kind of, it might help to draw the eye into the shovel too. I don't know if I can skew this. I don't know if it'll look good skewed. Actually, I don't even know if I really like this. So maybe something like that. I can't really see my ad very well. I'm going to move this down. So maybe just something simple. I'm not sure if I like it skewed. Maybe just leave it normal. I could maybe just flip it all the way around too and make it like this. No, I guess I'll just leave it like that. So I mean, I would have to go through on multiple slides and change it to probably, let's see, on all struction. That's the name of this shovel, so it does struction. Yeah, struction shovels. Yeah. So 50% on all struction shovels, and then I'll just kind of keep going through and putting, you know, different things in here. And they even have like a, you know, like some of these call to actions here. This is all about one product, but we could do it about multiple products if we wanted to. I was actually thinking about adding multiple products in. So a similar layout, but just a different product here. and maybe a slightly, you know, a message that matches that new product and whatever kind of deal we're offering on those specific products. Maybe all related to, you know, could be all related to the lawn and garden shovel or lawn and garden section, but it could also be just like regular like power tools or whatever. It could just be a general like these are the deals that we're having kind of ad. And so we want to title this. We want to give it a name. So I think I'll just do this. I'm just going to copy it out of here because I already had it. But we can change that up here. And then that should be, okay, it looks like it's all saved. So if we go to My Workspace, it should be in here. Okay, it just takes a little bit to load. And then there's that share link that we would grab out. So let's view this. So can we, oh, see. So it actually just kind of plays through as almost like as a slideshow, but I wonder if you were to embed this, if it would look a little different, like the Facebook carousel ads. Because I don't think that there's any other types of ads that would work better. Yeah. And they have story ads that you can make in here too, which is kind of cool. But yeah, this, I think it will actually look like this, you know, with the slides that click through, but when you preview it, it just looks like a slideshow playing. So like maybe we'll take the share link and just take a look and see, go into the browser window and take a look at see what this looks like. I guess it doesn't really play quite. Oh, it says it's an Instagram post. It's kind of strange. Because in here it said it was a carousel ad. I'm pretty sure I looked at the carousel ad. Well, I'm not quite sure why it's showing up like that. It should be actually like a carousel. It should look like a carousel ad, but maybe that's just how it looks when we're previewing it in the browser. Anyway, either way, it's I do believe that these are, because they have multiple slides. This one's actually nice looking, very nice looking. But anyway, that's the carousel section. All right, talk to you later.